Hey, what's up guys? I'm Apurva from bloggingmaker.com. Welcome to my VidJam review. In a nutshell, VidJam is a YouTube marketing software that helps you to put all of your YouTube related works on automation. This cloud-based software you can use for automate your comments, automate your reply, automatically giving likes for comment. It has a search engine from where you can see your competitors channel, competitors playlist, competitors tags from special videos. So then you can download these tags and use it on your own videos so that your video is going to rank easily. There is a backlink builder too, so all of these cool stuffs that helps you to drive targeted traffic on your blog, landing pages, or whenever you want. Okay, so if you find this interesting, then please stick with me in this video. I'm going to walk through you all the features of the software and showing you my exclusive bonuses worth more than $4,697. So let's get to see the bonuses first, then we will dive into the software. As you can see, this is the dashboard of VidJam. Okay, we'll go through it later, but first let's see the bonuses. So this is the bonus page. You get the link of this bonus page in the description. You have to go to the description. The first link will be the bonus page link, and this timer hit 0 and this bonus page will be gone. So take action as soon as possible. Okay, so here I can see what is a VidJam is, what I love about VidJam, and the prices. Okay, so we'll go through later and let's see the bonuses. So the first bonus is 20 plus WP themes for all type of online business. Okay, so this will help you to start your online business. These themes are going through every niche. Okay, next one is a WP super forms and pop-up plugin. This will help you to get your targeted leads generation. Okay, next one is affiliate marketing kit. Okay, this is the description of this bonus. Okay, so you have to pause the video and read this. Okay, I'm not gonna read all of this. Next one is ClickBank marketing secret. Okay, this is a ClickBank marketing on graduates of digital products affiliate marketing. You can go through this, all of this. Okay, next one is Twitter traffic secret. After that, Facebook Messenger bot marketing are placed. After that, a video creation with Camtasia 9 tutorial. So you will see how you can record your screen of your laptop with a Camtasia. This is a full tutorial. Okay, next one is eWriter Pro. This is a professional ebook creator software. Okay, next one is instant video creator. After that, Project Genius. 11 bonus is success graphics. After that, PLR product profit machine. Next one is a template showcase builder. Next one, web conversion videos, product creation success keys. After that, make first $100 on the web, online coaching business strategies, VidRank news with reseller rights. After that, VidNews with reseller rights, reseller rights to Social News Pro. Next one is a big traffic fire sale. So this course will show you how to use multiple social network and other websites to link the desired sites that need traffic. In big traffic fire sale, you will learn how to get the best out of your desired traffic using both paid and free traffic sources. Okay, next one is list building profit kit. After that, YouTube cash. So this will help you to get through the how you can generate cash using YouTube. Okay, next one is creating split screen videos. So this tutorial will show you how you can split your screen of your laptop or desktop and creating videos very easily on both screen. Okay, so these are the my bonuses, and we have some vendor bonuses also, so we will go through later. So here you can see, after purchasing the VidJam, you will land it here. This is the thank you page of Warrior Plus. So you will see this blue button here. You can see affiliate bonuses. So you have to click on this button to get all of my bonuses and all of the vendor bonuses also. So if you didn't find anything, any bonuses there or any kind of problem, then you can message me here. Here you can see this is my email. You can mail me. You can mail me the receipt of your this receipt copy, and I will send you the all of the bonuses. Okay, so you have to click on these buttons. You have to click on these buttons, any of these buttons, to redirect it to the sales page. So the sales pages look like this. Here you can see world's first AI technology based YouTube app for 2021 and beyond. Okay, so these are the some benefits of this software. Okay, these are the testimonials. These are the testimonials here. Okay, so very informative and very basic sales page. Here you can see you have to click on these buttons to get vidjam and all of my bonuses. So here you get 30 days of money back guarantee, so there is no chance for any kind of losing. Okay, so let's see the bonuses, vendor bonuses. Okay, so the first vendor bonus is, I'll just make it more big. Okay, so the first vendor bonus is a caching pro. Next one is smash the cache secret, 100 plus marketing emails, 80% discount on all upgrades, 30 agency license. So these are the bonuses, these 5 bonuses, and all of my bonuses, 25 my bonuses here. Okay, so let's get to see the dashboard now. So this is the dashboard of vidjam. So after that you are landed here, you have to go to this social account to add your YouTube account. Here I will show you how you can do it. So in this here you have to click this button to add your own account. This is a demo account, so someone add this. Here you can see 30 views, 3 videos, 2 subscribers. Okay, so this is the stat of someone's YouTube channel. So if you add your own channel, you will see your own video details or views and subscriber details here. Okay, after that go to the channel manager section. So in this section you will create different campaigns. Here you can see like comment campaigns, subscription campaigns, video manager, playlist manager, upload videos. So you can upload your videos from here also. Okay, so in this video manager section, let's see what is it. So in this section you will see your own videos. I'll show you. So here you can see these are your videos. Okay, so these are your videos, and you will click on this blue dot. You can set here auto reply, set auto reply report, edit the videos, rank tracking, so you can track your video ranking. Okay, there is analytics, there is own analytics of vidjam. Okay, so you can do different kind of things with a video manager. Okay, let's go to the comment manager section. Here you can see comment campaigns. So let's see if there is some comments. You will see these comments here. Okay, here you can see someone create the campaigns. So you can create the campaigns here. So you have to set the name, select your channel here. Here you can see. After that you have to go to this auto comment template, select any kind of auto comment template. After that select the keyword. So someone comment you have to select a keyword like thank you or very good or something like that. Then you will see that then the auto reply will be triggered automatically. Okay, so this is basically what it is. Okay, so you have to fill some basic information, very newbie friendly dashboard, so you can understand easily what this campaigns or what this section is want to say it. Okay, so very easily you can create your like and comment campaigns. Let's go to the template manager section. Here you can send the auto reply template. Here you can create your auto comment template also. So let's create an auto comment here. Okay, let's create a template. So you have to give a name. I just give it test. Here you can see you have to put your own comment. So thanks for watching vidjam review. Okay, so you can set more than one comment. Here you can see you have to click on this add button, add more message, and there is a pop-up open. Okay, so this is it. Okay, sorry, watching vidjam review. Okay, So just create the campaigns, so your campaigns is created. Okay, so this is it, very easy to use the templates. Okay, there is auto reply templates also. Let's create an auto reply templates also. Create template. Here I have to give a template name, so I just give it my name here. Do you want to delete offensive comments? So if you want to delete some offensive comment, you can delete it. If you yes this, so you have to select the words like spam, like bad, something you don't want to be in your comment section, then you can select these keywords here. So this Vidgem software will automatically delete the comments. Okay, next one is, here you can see reply type. So there is a generic reply. If you click on filter, then you have to put the keyword here also. So like someone said that awesome review, so someone comment here that awesome review or awesome, so then the reply will trigger this, that thanks for appreciating or thanks for watching. Okay, so something like that. Okay, so you can add more filters here, you can add more message reply from different comments. Okay, so like that, very simple. The name is empty or correctly values are missing. What is missing? Enable multiple reply. Okay, offensive keyword. Okay, sorry, so I have to off it then. So what is the problem? Generic filter. So I just select one here, empty or corresponding values are missing. Okay, so something missing here, I don't know what is it. Maybe something like here, let's say another time. Okay, I don't know what is missing, so you get the basic idea, right? Okay, so this is it, very simple, very effective and very simple. Select the template. Okay, next one is a search engine. So here you can select the videos from others. Here I will show you. So you have to put the affiliate link here, like affiliate, sorry, any keyword from which you want to see the videos. Okay, so I just click on affiliate marketing. This is my keyword. So you can set the results. So there is 100, 150 and 200 on this keyword. Okay, next one is order. So you can set the date. So like this sequence will be date wise. After that you can choose the date. Okay, you can choose the location, you can choose the radius. So here you can see 10 kilometer, 25 kilometer, 50 kilometer. Okay, next one is a channel ID. So you can select the any kind of particular channel, and you can put the channel ID here. Okay, next one is a video type, duration and dimension, various different kinds of magnitude you can add on your searching. Okay, so I just search it here. The request cannot be completed because you have exited your quota. Okay, so there is some quota in front end, I think so. So that's why it didn't work. Okay, so if you buy it and you can search it like this. After that, go to the channel section. So you can find the channels in various keywords. Okay, so you have to choose the date, you have to choose the result, and you get the channel's name. Okay, so here you can see YouTube channels using filtering options. Okay, next one is a playlist. So you can find the playlist from keywords also, some from different channel. Here you have to give the channel ID and you have to give the keywords, so that you will find the channel's playlist. Okay, in that particular keyword. Okay, next one is keyword finder. This keyword finder is help you to find the keywords related to your niche. Okay, so you have to give the video ID, any kind of videos you have to put it here, and you will find the keywords which is used on those videos. Okay, Next one is auto reply reporting. These are the reporting section, so you will see how much auto reply will be triggered automatically. Here you can create your campaigns from here also. Okay, you can track your ranking here. Okay, so next one is a link wheel, and after that this is a create account. So in this create account section, you can create your client's account and you can manage their YouTube channel also. So this way you can generate money, generate income from their YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the actual review of Vidjam. Let's see the prices of it. So the front end price is, I'll show you, the front end price is only $17. Here you can see only $17. The front end price is only $17. Here you can see the description, all in one YouTube solution, comment, like, channel subscription, video link wheel. Here is a backlink. So this link will be generate backlink for your YouTube channel. Okay, next one is YouTube rank tracking, channel and video analytics, YouTube search engine, playlist and video manager, comment, reply, channel videos. So these are the description of a particular section. This is the particular section, comment, reply, channel videos. This is the particular section is like, comment, YouTube videos. So if you buy this front end, which is only $17, you get all of my bonuses also, which is worth more than $4,697. Okay, so you don't have to buy the upsells or OTOs. So you can see the OTOs here also, pro unlimited everything, which is OTO 1, which is price is only $37. So you can pause the video and read the description or features of these OTOs, or you can go to the description and find the link. First link will be the bonus page link. You can click the link and you will redirect it to this page. Okay, next is SEO Jam, which is only $47. These are the description, these are the features of these OTOs. Okay, there is so many features of OTO 2. OTO 3 is agency version, which is Vidjam plus SEO Jam, which is $67. Okay, next one is ChatFox, $37. Reseller rights, which is $97. Okay, you get 100% bump on across the funnel unlimited resell license, will handle the support. So you get premium support from them, from the vendors. Okay, so you get a 30 days of money back guarantee also. You have to go to the description section. There is the first link of my bonus page link. Okay, so this is it. This is the very much it about Vidjam. I hope you like the video. I hope you understand what is Vidjam is and how it's work on your behalf. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, then you have to purchase this Vidjam software, because there is no monthly fees here. If you use other softwares, you have to give some monthly recurring payment for using their software, but Vidjam is for one time only. So this is the best part of Vidjam. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you love the video. I hope you love my review. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications of new videos. Okay, hit the comment section and comment your thoughts about this software. So thank you. Bye bye.